Hello, my friends. How are you all? Hope you all are doing well. First of all, I want to thank all my users and subscribers who are tuning into my channels. Okay, so today's topic is English grammar rules because we have some rules which we have to use in our day-to-day life. At least we should have an idea about those rules because they are the special ones. They are not very common rules, just like in conditional sentences and models. There are some models that we guys are using in our day-to-day life, but there are some models also which we do not use usually in our day-to-day life. So I'm gonna tell you about those models which are also useful in our day-to-day life conversation, but they are rarely used. Okay, these models are would have, could have, and should have. See, these are the models which shows the lost of opportunities in the past. Basically, so today I'm gonna tell you and I'm gonna have you an idea how to use these special modal verbs into the sentences because sometimes we need to use these modal verbs also. So these ones are could have, would have, and should have. Okay, let me explain first could have. How do we use could have into the sentences? So basically the sentence is that ends with like कर सकता था, कर सकती थी, कर सकते थे, हो सकता था, हो सकती थी, हो सकते थे. So we use these type of modal verbs into these sentences. For example, I could have been an engineer. मैं engineer हो सकता था past में. So we use these kind of modal verbs into these sentences. Basically, could have shows something that was possible in the past, but you could not have done this during the past. Okay. Next one is would have. Would have is related to the regret related purpose because if you have done something in the past then you would have been something else today. For example, if I had worked hard in the past then I would have been an engineer today. अगर मैंने पास्ट में कठिन परिश्रम किया होता तो मैं आज एक इंजीनियर होता. So something like that. And for these type of sentences always ends with like करता, करती, करते, होता, होती, होते, something like that. Now next one is should have. Should have is showing some kind of like possibility that yes you can like you could do this work. For example, you should have charged your mobile, you should have done this work. आपको अपना मोबाइल चार्ज कर लेना चाहिए था, आपको अपना काम कर लेना चाहिए था. So basically should have type of sentences always ends with चाहिए था, चाहिए थी, चाहिए थे, something like that. Yes. So we use these kind of vocabularies and modal verbs into these kind of sentences. I'm gonna give you another examples in my upcoming slides. You can see and watch out all these examples through which you will be clear about your doubts, like how to use these modal verbs into the sentences. If you are having more doubts on regarding this session, so you will contact me over my phone number, over my WhatsApp ID, and over my Skype ID. Bye bye. Take care.